Verifying your Venmo account is required to access certain features such as holding a balance, increasing transaction limits, and using the Venmo debit card. This tutorial outlines the steps to complete identity verification. What the process does: Venmo is required by federal law to verify the identity of users who have access to a balance or send certain amounts. You may be asked to verify your identity if you attempt to send $300 or more in a week, transfer $1,000 or more to a bank, or receive payments for goods and services. Steps to verify your identity. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Open the Venmo app on your phone and log into your account. Identity verification can only be done through the mobile app, not the website. Step 2. Access identity verification. Tap on your profile icon in the Me tab. Tap the settings gear in the top right corner and select Identity Verification. Step 3. Enter personal information. Enter your full legal name, date of birth, address, and social security number. Or I-10 Venmo collects this information to comply with government regulations. Step 4. Upload identification documents if requested. If your information cannot be verified automatically, you will be asked to upload documents. Acceptable documents include a U.S. passport, driver's license, or government-issued ID to verify name and date of birth. For proof of address, you can provide a utility bill, bank statement, or lease from the past 12 months. Make sure your photos are clear and show the full document with all corners visible. Blurry or incomplete images can delay verification. Step 5. Wait for review. Venmo will review your information. Verification typically takes a few minutes, but if documents are required, it can take up to 3 business days. Check your email and the Venmo app for updates, as you may need to resubmit if documents do not meet requirements. Step 6. Confirmation. Once verified, you will have full access to your Venmo balance and increased sending and transfer limits. Limitation: if you do not have an SSN or I-10, you cannot complete identity verification. You can still use Venmo to make payments funded by a bank account, credit card, or debit card, and you can receive payments and transfer money out to a bank account. This method is best suited for users who want full access to Venmo features, including holding a balance, using the Venmo debit card, and making larger transfers.